Let's look at this scenario, guys. We have a weed that's growing 5% per week. There's 25 square feet of weeds right now, and we want to know when will there be 28 square feet. So first we need a function. So we know we'll call it W of X because it's weeds. All right, we're starting out with 25. It's growing by 5%, so we're going to multiply by 1.05 to the x power, right? The 1 gives me my original 25 that I'm starting out with, and then the 0.05, that's 5% that it's growing by, okay? Okay, so we have this function that if we plug in x, which is their time in weeks, we can figure out how many weeds we're going to have. But in this case, we know how many weeds we're going to have. We're going to have 28. So we want to figure out what the time is. X is the time. So here's the equation that we're going to solve. We want to know 28 equals 25 times 1.05 to the x power. And our goal is to solve for x. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Right, so previously we were used to like the base and the exponent being on the left side of the equation. Now it's on the right side, but the goal is still the same, to solve for x. So we need to get the base and the exponent by themselves, so we need to get rid of the 25. How are we going to get rid of the 25? He's getting multiplied by 1.05, so we're going to do the opposite and divide. Okay, I'm going to guess that's probably not the world's greatest decimal, so I'm just going to leave it as 28/25 equals 1.05 to the x power. Okay, so now we need to get x by itself, we need to get rid of the base. So we're going to use log base 1.05 on both sides. Right, so this right side, I know how to rewrite this. It's going to be a little bit cumbersome, but it's not terrible. So we're going to 28/25 on the top divided by the log of 1.05, using the change of base rule here, guys. And then on the right side, the log base of 1.05 and the base of 1.05 are inverses, so we just get that's equal to x. Okay, so that's our answer. All right, in this context, that's not terribly useful, right? We probably would want to actually calculate and see what that is. It's like, hey, when am I going to have 28 square feet of weeds? Oh, in log of 28/25 divided by log 1.05 weeks. So it'd be better to have an actual number here. Well, we would let our calculators handle that.